Hello and welcome to the official Met Office week ahead forecast. Although eastern parts of the UK saw the driest and brightest weather on Monday, it's going to turn increasingly wet in the east Tuesday and perhaps for much of Wednesday as well. Then drier for a time later Wednesday and Thursday across the whole of the UK before the weather turns more changeable later. But the difference with the end of the week is that weather fronts will move through much more quickly. They won't outstay their welcome, unlike this rain that's turning up across much of England, East Wales on Tuesday morning. And you can see the brighter colours there as the rain moves into parts of eastern England, Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, Norfolk, and also it will continue to affect the Midlands for a time. And because that rainfall will be so persistent and heavy at times, it could cause issues, localised flooding, traffic disruption, a yellow rain warning in force. There's the risk of 25 to 40 millimetres fairly widely, and in some spots a risk that we'll see even more than that. So that rainfall leading to a very wet day across parts of eastern England, but elsewhere actually a brighter day compared to Monday. Some sunshine emerging, South Wales, southwest England, Northern Ireland, but a few showers for northern western Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest. Hit and miss outbreaks of rain. Feeling cool where we've got the rain, particularly where it's persistent there around the east coast, 15 Celsius perhaps at best, but where we do get some brighter weather elsewhere, pleasant enough. Into Tuesday night, and you can see that weather front really sticks around across eastern parts of the UK, and it's not got the jet stream to move it along. That's why it's becoming stuck. But this cluster of weather fronts that are approaching for the end of the week, well, they are carried by the jet stream, so they will only provide a short period of rainfall as they cross the UK. Unlike this feature, which on Wednesday morning is still with us across eastern parts of England, further cloudy and damp weather for much of the morning and perhaps into the afternoon in some spots. Brighter skies to the west, one or two showers, particularly for Northern Ireland, western and northern Scotland, but actually a lot of fine weather for Wales, the southwest and western parts of England. Again, feeling pleasant where we've got the sunshine, low 20s, but generally cloudy and so high teens at best for many. These weather fronts are still approaching later Wednesday into Thursday, but ahead of them, we clear that system from the east, a ridge of high pressure builds in, and with clear skies then developing overnight, we'll expect a few dense fog patches for the start of Thursday. It's getting to that time of year when we can expect some fog in the mornings, and it may even cause some transport disruption first thing, but it will lift. There'll be some cloud building through the day, but on the whole, Thursday's looking dry and bright for the vast majority of the UK. Just one or two showers possible for the north. Otherwise, it's just a fine day. And a warmer day, 20 to 22 Celsius, where we'll get some sunny spells. It won't last though. Later Thursday, outbreaks of rain and a strengthening wind into Northern Ireland and western Scotland. And then we wake up first thing Friday with that wet and windy weather across many western parts of the UK. But as I mentioned, the jet stream is pushing this through, so 3 hours or so of rainfall before it clears. And then after a bright start in the east, that rainfall pushes in for the afternoon and evening. Ahead of the rain, 21, 22 Celsius, a bit fresher with a keen breeze behind the rain, but with brighter skies and just a few showers moving into the west. So this front moves smartly out of the way for the start of the weekend. Some uncertainties about its timing of clearance, but eventually it's through, and then high pressure builds in for the start of the weekend. So for most, Saturday is looking like the best day of the week. Plenty of sunny spells and light winds and a fine day for many. But another weather front approaches the northwest for the end of the day, bringing another spell of wind and rain in here. And then you can see the pattern for the rest of the weekend, and the start of next week will be influenced by the jet stream. Now, more changeable outlook, and that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a washout. What it means is that after a fine start this weekend with more changeable weather returning, we can expect spells of rain followed by showers followed by sunshine and so on. None of the constant cloud and rain that we'll see over the next couple of days in places. So a more changeable outlook, but still some sunshine in between the showers. And of course you can stay across it all by following the Met Office on social media. Bye-bye.